Guys, let me ask you something very uncomfortable. Why the most American families earn more money than ever but still feel broke? Why a household earns $70,000 a year but still live paycheck to paycheck? Why do people with college degrees, full-time jobs and credit cards still feel one away from disaster? Guys, here's the scary part. It's not because they are lazy. It's not because they are stupid. It's not because they don't work hard. It's because they believe in three financial lies. The lies that sound actually very great, but quietly that keeps the middle class financially stressed. And if you recognize one of these lies, so bro, that video is about you. Guys, I'm going to tell you a short story of Mark and Lisa. I also provide an example of Mark in my previous video. You guys can see it later, but for now, come back on a point. Mark and Lisa, they both lived in Ohio. They have two kids and they both got a corporate job, and their combined salary is around $85,000 a year. But from the outside, they look very successful. But from the inside, they look exhausted and very broken. Let's break it down why. A good salary means a financial security. This is the biggest lie, and this is the first lie. Every American thought if you earn a good salary, a good income, you will be safe. Mark believed this too, but every promotion feels like a relief. Every salary raise feels like a progress. But something happening very strange. The more he earned, the more the faster money disappeared. Big car, big apartment, more subscriptions, more babies. But middle class did not know the more income did not remove the stress. The more income upgrade the stress. According to the National Reserve, 60% Americans say that they could not save $400 emergency without borrow. Think about that. This is not poverty. This is middle class. And the salary, the income does not creates a financial security, but the cash flow does control it. And the main thing is that the next lie is even more dangerous because it feels responsible. Guys, debt is normal. Everyone has it. America normalized the debt. Car loans, credit cards, student loans. Lisa thought debt is a part of life. Everyone has it. After all, everyone around her had it. But here's the trap. A study by Pew Research shows that every middle class American delay starting businesses, switching careers, having children, and retiring too early just because of debt pressure. And debt does not break your bank account. It breaks your options. You don't feel it today, but you feel it years later. Now we are going to talk about a powerful lie that nobody talks about it. Get a good job, save a little, and you'll be free. They sound good, smart, and responsible, but it's outdated. Saving accounts pay less than inflation. That means your money loses its value while sitting safely in the bank. Yes, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the real wages of middle class Americans has barely grown in decades, while housing, education, healthcare exploded. Saving alone does not build wealth. It only delays stress. Mark and Lisa both save money, but their money never worked for them. It's the biggest truth that nobody tells the middle class. The system reward ownership, not the thinking. And if you don't change your strategy of money flows, then you work hard forever, and forever you will be financially stressed. So what actually works? No shortcuts, no fake gurus, no lottery dreams. Just the real solutions. Looks boring, but they are powerful. Just reduce the lifestyle inflation, control bad debts aggressively, build income streams that works without extra hours, learn how to invest, not in gambling, understand the money psychology, not math. And the middle class does not need motivation, they just need the financial clarity. At the end, I just want to say, financial stress is not a personal failure, it's just a misunderstood rules. And in this channel, we break all those rules in a simple and honest language for those people who tired of struggling silently. If you are middle class and you are working hard, motivated person, but still feeling stuck, subscribe this channel. This is built for you.